Hello, this is George Senda, the guy from Pittsburgh, and this is Burgh Unboxing, and I've been trying to get out of here, but I'm going through device hell in a sense. I called Social Security, waited an hour for them to call me back, started talking to a woman, giving her my account number at Bank of America, and guess what? Click. It died, and they call back, and you say, oh, wait an hour for us to call you back. I'm not willing to do that. It's 2 o'clock. I still haven't gotten the hell out of here. Close the account, Wells Fargo. All right. I have done one thing. I want to let people know. I called Sonic today, and I said I keep getting buffering on my live stream, so they'll give me a new service. It'll be about within 2 weeks, and they will take it from 10 whatever it is per second to 50. And they said that will increase your speed, and it will be $1 less a month. And the AT&T will come out, guy will come out, and give me a whole new modem. I got to send the old modems back, and that should stop the buffering problem. And I wish they'd told me that a month ago. So here's the cable I got today: the Amazon USB cable to whatever, and this is supposed to be the right cable, which I should have gotten in the first place, if I can figure out how to open it. They refunded my money, and then even with the refund, they gave me a $15 credit, and they gave me the wrong cable, and then even with that, I still had to pay money. I don't understand how I can wind up paying money with $15 for a $6 cable. All right, this goes, if I can find one. This goes from the, there we go, Kindle Fire. Wait a minute. Don't tell me they did this to me again. You know what? I think they gave me the wrong cable again. Jesus H. Christ. Oh. I don't believe this. This is still the wrong cable. How can they do this to me twice? Oh, there it goes. It fits. Boy, it's got me scared. All right, this is supposed to go to the Macbook. Let me grab the Macbook. Oh, wait a minute. I got to turn the screen because I am... what the hell is my... oh, it's my shirt. Hold on. I'll be right back. All right, just give me 1 second. This is supposed to go from the Kindle Fire to the MacBook, and I just noticed this is not connected. Okay, there we go. All right. And so we will put this in here, plug it in the Mac, and get the internet. And we will see what happens if this thing recognizes it or not. It's supposed to. And there's supposed to be a thing that this talks to the iMac, the MacBook. And, well, I will have to look this up. Let me see here. Nope, that's not it. could see the video. Alright, let me look on Google. I should be doing this off the screen, but okay. Okay, being connected as a media device. So let's see. Micro USB cable. Unlock your Kindle. Wait for Windows computer. No, not Windows, you stupid article. Oh, okay, here's the Mac part. And it says devices. Slide the arrow. That's not it. Well, how they're saying wait for your Mac to recognize the Kindle as an external device, which it's not doing. Well, I'm going to have to figure this out. Anyway, this is supposed to work, but as usual, it's not doing it. I'm letting you go, but it's there. I'll just have to figure it out. I'll let you know, and you'll see the videos as soon as I have time to figure this damn thing out. All right, this is George Sender, the guy from Pittsburgh. Have a great day. Stay warm, wet, dry, or cool as the case may be. It is 82 in here, even with all the fans going, and for a long time the door open. I've still got to go to Oakland and still got to go to Pleasant Hill, and I don't think I'm going to make both. And I have to go get cat food. It's always something. All right. Have a great day. Have a great weekend. I'll be back later with another video. I don't know when we get one done, though. I'll have to send this thing off on Monday. I've got the money. I just don't have the time. Have a great day, people. Bye-bye for now.